Alright, I'm going to show you guys an update of my blackberries. I showed you a little while ago. Excuse the mess in here, I've been working on stuff, but anyway, this is my wall of blackberries, and I showed you guys how I grow them and how to manage them, but I was telling you how they fruit. Little ones think that those aren't right. But anyway, as you can see here, I was not kidding. Look at all the fruits that we have. Best way to grow thornless blackberries. I'll have a video update here shortly. Yeah, you can't wait. No, they're not ready yet. No, no, you can't have those berries. They're not ready yet. But there's a huge bumper crop on these guys, and they're going to be ready to eat very, very, very soon, and I'm so excited. Cannot wait. So find my other video, grow your blackberries like this. It's the best, easiest way ever. I've got some shoots that are getting ready to be tied up this year. Here's one. There's a couple more you can see shooting out, but yum, 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 yum. I'll link the video below so that you can try this out. It works, and it works wonders, and it is clean, organized, super easy to pick everything, stays out of the way. It's great.